Melvin from hairtransplantnetwork.com. Some of you may know I recently underwent my 4th hair transplant, and I have now had over 9,000 grafts via FUE, with over 7,000 grafts coming from my scalp. If you're interested, feel free to check out my journey on the Hair Restoration Network. I'll be posting weekly and monthly updates and being as transparent as possible about the entire process. Today, I want to talk about the 3 reasons why you should always shave if you're going to have a hair transplant. I know shaving is something that most of us do not want to do. Let's face it, it's the reason why we're even bothering getting a hair transplant. But I'm going to lay out the reasons why it's a necessary evil. Number 1, you don't really know how much hair you need until you shave. A lot of us sport glorified comb overs, and it might look like we have more hair than we actually do. Shaving allows the surgeon to see exactly where you need hair and plan and execute the surgery accordingly. Number 2, shaving allows the surgeon to dense pack the grafts in between native hair with minimal trauma. It's virtually impossible for a surgeon to dense pack around long hairs without some form of trauma. Typically, this trauma leads to shock loss, which makes the growing period way worse. Number 3, shaving gives you a much more uniform, normal appearance. Believe me, you guys don't want to be walking around in public looking like you cut your hair during an earthquake, especially if you're traveling. I found this time around that shaving made the travel so much easier. No weird stares in the TSA line. I get that some of you want to avoid shaving altogether, but believe me, you're not only limiting the surgeon's ability, you're limiting your success. Why bother spending thousands of dollars if you're not going to do it right? Well, I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you guys would go ahead and like the video. If you find the information helpful, please support the channel by subscribing. And if you guys want to know a little bit more about hair transplant surgery, be sure to visit the Hair Restoration Network community. Link will be in the description.